Tired of losing your valuables? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is the ultimate solution you've been waiting for. Imagine finding your misplaced items with incredible accuracy. That's the magic of precision finding using Ultra Wideband technology. Your iPhone guides you directly to your AirTag's location with visual, haptic, and audio feedback, making lost keys or wallets a thing of the past. Setting up these amazing Bluetooth trackers is ridiculously simple. A single tap on your iPhone instantly pairs them, ready to track in seconds. Plus, with its IP67 water and dust resistance, your AirTag can handle spills and splashes, so you don't have to worry about everyday wear and tear. This smart tracker integrates seamlessly into your Apple ecosystem, leveraging hundreds of millions of Apple devices worldwide to help you locate your items, even far away. For anyone looking to buy the best item finder that just works, the AirTag offers unmatched peace of mind. Stop wasting time searching. If you're ready to upgrade your tracking game, you can find the Apple AirTag 4-pack on Amazon today. Click the link in the description below to grab this essential gadget and secure your belongings now. Seriously, if you want to end the frustration of lost items, investing in the Apple AirTag is one of the smartest decisions you'll make in 2025.